Welcome to RisePath HR. With RisePath HR, you can give your team the tools to easily manage key HR activities needed for a growing company. Managers and employees can update and view compensation and benefits. Employees and contractors can manage their time off, sick days, complete time tracking, and more. Your hiring team can manage open job roles and the whole recruitment process from outreach, interviewing, and onboarding all in one place. Store important documents and communications safely with industry-leading security and encryption. Give your potential recruits the best impression of your organization from the start. RisePath HR is simple to use, full of useful features, and provides a better experience for new hires and your existing staff. Learn more how RisePath HR can help your organization hire smarter and manage personnel needs with ease.